Right guys, what's the crack? Gonna unbox this Titan wet dry vac, or let me see, wet dry vacuum cleaner. So I'm gonna get that quick unboxing, and if it's easy and simple to set up, I'll set it up during the video here as well. The reason I got this is to use with the wall chaser. They never sent these out, I bought them. I don't get too much things sent out like this. Had asked for a couple of companies that they want to be on this new build with me doing a lot of tracking, but didn't really work out. But here we are, and we're gonna get these ones done. Again, I'll let you know, even at this video, months, years, years down the line, if you're interested in this Hoover and you want to know, is it still going, feel free to pop a comment, questions in the description or in the comments box. Just say, is it still going? I'll answer you. Is it still good? I'll answer you. What is your thoughts this date? Is it, and I'll answer you. And one thing you'll get, guys, on anything I talk about, I'll tell you is 100% my opinion. No company will ever be able to make me do otherwise, so don't ever worry about that. Whether it was sent to me for free or not, I don't care. You will get the truth from me, because that's what's important, is the truth. If I didn't like it, I'll let you know. If I do like it, I'll also let you know. And a big giveaway is, if you look through the channel throughout the years, if there's certain tools, you'll see they'll just keep coming up. They'll keep being used in the videos, because why would you use something that doesn't work? Why would you use something that's not good? Beats me. But yeah, I'll get into this unboxing here. Here we go with the screw. I'll try not to destroy this box too much, just in case the thing is missing parts, missing any parts. And I need to bring it back. If I destroy the box, sometimes it can get a bit weird. First out, destructions. One of them wee things that people love to use on their carpet. Pole. I would have preferred that being stainless steel, but I suppose it keeps the weight down. And it is got a wee bit of weight to it. Not overly heavy like for a Hoover. Probably actually the same weight as the Henry Hoovers. And I don't know if you've ever used one of them, but them things last forever. I hope there's wheels for this, because it shows wheels. Well, probably inside the thing. It shows wheels on it. So I think the wheels are going to be inside, so I might have to have a wee quick peek at them destructions. But let's just see. Let's just see. Oh, look at that. You'd almost think I'd had one of these before. Look at that filter. The filter looks pretty good. Oh, okay. So can this thing be used? Let me see. Watch this, guys, look. It has a socket here, like a switch, so nearly make you think you can run another Hoover off it or something. I'll probably never ever do that, but I might, because I'm going to use the chaser. So if I could plug that chaser into that socket with the Hoover plugged in, this would give me extra reach. This could be a bit of a really good thing, but we'll see. Yeah, so here we are. Got your hose, got one of them wee things for getting in around your corners. We got one wheel here, got another wheel, got a spinny wheel, another spinny wheel. What's that there? Oh, that's probably bushes. Probably brushes. Hang on, I'll open that and show you. It's not bushes, it's screws. I'll not lose them, I'll leave them over here. probably need them to screw on the wheels or something. Again, that's going to be another wee hoover thing. I'm going to lose the most of these because where do you put them? Unless they do hook on. Oh, I'm speaking too soon. They just hook on round the machine. Okay, maybe I won't lose all of them. I do know when you're looking for these, when you're doing a bit of hoovering in the car or the house and you just can't find them anywhere, they just go missing. It's almost like when you have loads of odd socks but you can't find the other one. That looks like a very good thing there. So that might help me with what I'm actually planning for. It's like a rubber thing. So no, it looks like it's a rubber adapter, so it'll, you know, all them different bits, probably like so you can reduce on the different pipe and stuff. So wee bit of this. There's a filter bag and the sponge thing. I just wish it was bagless, to be honest, and you could just pour, like there's just a bucket in it and you just pour the stuff out, instead of having bags. But yeah, that's it, unboxed here. I'll quickly put it together and give it a wee switch on, and you just can let me know your thoughts on it. It's a great job. I didn't just think they were just extra bushes. Although I don't know if this has a motor. I'm sure it does have a motor because that holds the wheels on. So I'll get them nice and tight. Over tight then, break the plastic. No! Get them nice and tight. They actually click in there as well, but and the front looks like the same. Just slots down in. Pretty simple. You don't even need the instructions, guys, but you probably should follow them just to be safe. I'll probably need them for the bag, just to see what way it actually goes in, right? But again, I'll just continue. Get these four wheels on, get the pipe connected on. All pretty simple things, really. One of the hardest things I did the other day was the wee girl got like a playhouse for her birthday, and I was putting it together, and it was actually really hard to put together. I thought it was just going to be just push it all together and all, but it actually had like these plastic screws and nuts and all, and you had to follow the instructions. And it took ages, a lot longer than I thought. And then when I had it sort of half up, obviously the wee girl was trying to run into the house and try and play with it already, and you're going, oh dear. But yeah, I'm going to keep going here. Get this hoover and then I'll hoover this whole house out and give it a full review. The hose is quite simple as well, guys. It just literally goes in and then you turn it and that's it. Locked in place. So easy peasy, you'll all get it, no bother. Having fun with this unboxing, too much fun. Look at that, guys. I just popped on the other things there. There's like wee circles there, and it's like extra wee places to put your attachments. So not only do they have two there, they have four around the wheels. So somebody's definitely had a good think when they designed this thing, or copied somebody else's ideas and made them better. Who knows? But it works. I'm gonna get it. Last thing to put on here is just the bag. As you can see, everything's set up. There's a wee button. Look at that. Power on, power off, triple power, double power, single power, off, double power. So can't wait to actually get this going and get that other thing unboxed and then combine them. Hopefully it saves me. I'll probably still need a mask on. There'll probably still be a lot of dust from this tracking, and you'll probably feel sorry for me. Probably. Right, bag's in. I literally just shoved it on over the top there. Anybody know what that's for? Probably for like a wet dry thing. Maybe you just elastic band that over the top of the pipe and it filters out stuff. Hopefully it's not too important. Anybody in Titan can tell me, is this going to destroy this machine when I plug it in? I better not. Actually, Yeah, I don't have no clue what that's for. I'll worry about that later on. But I'm gonna get this plugged in and get a wee go, see how it goes. Right, let's see. Whoa. Alright then. So far so good. But then it's going to help to just rip the bag apart. That was only single power. You want to go at that corner with double the power. Wish me luck. Didn't work. Ah. Maybe that's the water one then. Maybe that one does something different. Maybe that's like the water one when you hook up to there or something. So that's a different thing. That's not what I need today anyway. Got what I need so far. And that single power, I was thinking single power, double power. See if you read instructions, you'd know. But anyway, obviously this is quite strong, and I'm gonna hook up the wall chaser now and see how I can merge the two into one too.
What we doing live? Echoes in eternity.